ayoko na. Oo, wala naman. Siguro kasi I have been doing back-to-back shows in mga 4 years after I gave birth kasi yun agad yung ginawa ko. Kasi yun lang yung kaya kong gawin at that time. Kasi syempre, getting back into shape, getting my voice back into shape, it was very difficult, I admit. It didn't, you would think nga na parang, pagkapaman ako, parang okay na, gano'n. Sana nga gano'n eh, but it wasn't like that. I had a difficult time losing weight, I had a difficult time getting my voice back, and it's still a struggle up to now. It's still a struggle to lose more weight, it's still a struggle for me to keep my voice like this.
Pero yung voice, anong ginagawa mo? Pero kasi bumalik na nga uli.
Actually, hindi naman siya nawala. Nandiyan lang naman siya. Natatawa ako pag sinasabi nilang bumabalik eh. Hindi naman siya nawala. It's just that I had a difficult time singing because I had a condition, yung acid reflux, which I still have. So it's still a struggle. My voice, syempre, age also is a big factor. You know, I will never ever sing or I will never ever sound the same way like 10 years ago. That will never happen. So, kumbaga, what I'm showing now, I'm able to sing. This is the condition that I'm in now, and I'm just thankful that I'm able to sing these difficult songs despite my condition. Hindi mo na mababalik yung nakakatawa kasi sa internet when they say, ay nako, she sound like 2010. Parang, what? Hindi, kung ano yung sound ko nung time na yun, like 10 years ago, that was my sound 10 years ago. I will never ever sound like that ever again because may age factor talaga. Hindi ko na I was denying it before.
Baka nga sa point of view mo lang yan, pero sa mga nanonood kasi, yung dating talaga lang, like kami nung nanonood kami sa Robinson's Magnolia, sa PLDT pa lang, doon talaga bonggang-bongga na kami, nagulat kami, di ba? Sabi namin, she's back, bongga.
Parang hindi naman ako nawala.
Hindi yung boses, the voice.
Hindi. Ano siguro lang talaga, siguro nga sa point of view nila, pero on my end, it's still a struggle because I have this condition. So, it's still, kasi dati talagang binubuka ko lang yung bibig ko eh, walang effort Wala masyadong ka-effort. And I actually don't like singing with much effort. Ina-acting ko lang yung effort eh.
So ito ba hindi pwedeng mapanood ng masa? Like,